Honda key fob battery replacement, a simple DIY guide. Replacing your Honda key fob battery is a quick and easy task you can do yourself. The process involves opening the fob, swapping the old battery with a new one, typically a CR2032 or CR1220, and reassembling the case. You'll need a small pry tool or flathead screwdriver to open the case. This is a cost-effective way to maintain your vehicle and avoid dealership fees. Most Honda models, including Civic, Accord, CR-V, and Pilot, use this simple coin cell battery design. Doing it yourself can save you around $40 compared to professional replacement. A new battery will usually cost you between $1 and $2 at your local retail store or online. First, identify your Honda model and the correct battery type by checking your user manual or Honda's website. Most Honda fobs use a CR2032 battery, but confirm for your specific model to ensure compatibility. Use a pry tool to gently separate the fob's two halves along the seam, avoiding metal tools to prevent scratches. Remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side marked with a plus sign or indentation. Insert the new battery in the same orientation to avoid short-circuiting. Snap the case back together securely and test the fob by pressing buttons near your vehicle to ensure it locks and unlocks properly. Always work in a dry environment to prevent static electricity from damaging the circuit board. Dispose of old batteries responsibly due to their lithium content, which makes them hazardous waste. Recycle them properly. Improper handling, such as incorrect battery polarity or using metal tools, can damage the fob, potentially costing $100 to $300 to replace. If the fob doesn't work after the swap, you may need to reprogram it via your vehicle's ignition or visit a dealership. Using genuine batteries is recommended to ensure a longer lifespan and reliable performance.